Best deals.
1. Wet grinder. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel drum with precision machined stone base and extra wide stone rollers for fine and uniform grinding. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Stand mixer. 10 speed levels and pulse function supports doughing, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 6, beater within speed of 1 to 7, whisker within speed of 8 to 10. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bread maker. Electric dough maker has one-touch operation and detachable components make mixing and kneading easy. You can use any kind of flour for preparing fresh and healthy bread. Comes with 19 program menus, so you can prepare different types of chapati in puri atta. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric citrus juicer. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip, includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. Its spout has 2 different positions, one that allows the juice to be stored in the 0.65 liter tank and another that offers continuous direct pouring into the glass. The mouth designed with anti-drip system. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wet grinder. Designed compact enough to hold a small space in your kitchen. The ABS plastic which acts as a shock-proof body and heat-resistant. The conical roller stone assemblies along with the cylinder holds a capacity of 2 liters and makes soft and smooth tiffin for you. The coconut scraper adds additional benefits for making your kitchen chores easier. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Wet grinder. Has an aesthetically designed body and body made of high-quality ABS material, designed compact enough to hold a small space in your kitchen. The ABS plastic which acts as a shock-proof body and heat-resistant. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Mill grinder. The stainless steel blades are durable and provide efficient performance, resulting in finely ground pastes and gravy. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Flour mill. Can grind wheat, pulses dal, rice, maize, haldi, kali mirchi, coffee, jawar, bajra, ragi, makka corn, khare masale, spices and many more grains. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Stand mixer. Comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety and not spilling mixture. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Electric food chopper. Electric food processor uses 4 S-shaped upper and lower blades to chop meat evenly, chop garlic, herbs quickly and puree sauces perfectly. You can chop, cut and mix different foods such as onions, meat, garlic. This makes it easier to prepare pesto, salad and baby food, with 4 sharp stainless steel blades for best stirring results and quick food preparation. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Automatic electric juicer. Crafted from high-class premium quality juicer best for extraction of juices from your favorite fruits and vegetables, juicing can be a convenient way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, providing essential nutrients in a tasty and easily digestible form. Detachable anti-drip spout to prevent spillage of juice. It is assembled with powerful 350-watt copper motor for best results and 100% food grade safe. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Oil extractor machine. This oil press machine for peanuts, coconut, copra, sesame, soybean, walnuts, sunflower seeds, vegetable seeds, flax seeds, almond, castor seeds, mustard seeds and many more. The crusher system is made of food-grade stainless steel. Crafted with precision, our oil machine boasts a robust design that guarantees consistent and high-quality oil output. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spice mill. Features provide a decent size funnel for pouring spice. There is a thickness adjustment knob and rubber non-slip pad for the exit of powder. A reinforced motor helps to grind it faster and easier. Ideal for processing hard and or root-like spice materials, Root Grinder offers tremendous flexibility while producing results comparable to production scale models. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Coffee grinder. Equipped with 40 mm hardened steel burrs which creates very little heat to preserve the flavor and aroma, anti-static technology makes the ground coffee chamber mess-free, preventing coffee grounds from flying around and messing up the worktop. The coffee grinder burr is also easy to maintain and clean. The built-in brush, removable upper burr, hopper, chamber for easy cleaning of the item, removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 12 cups. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dal grinder. Gravy machine used to make Punjabi gravy, pulp and juice from all green vegetable like tomato, onion, garlic, palak, green peas, beetroot, karela. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Flour mill. Compact size which makes it perfectly portable for domestic use, grind all grains like wheat, millet, maize, rice, besan, jowar, gram pulse, beans pulse, coriander, finger millet, dal, semolina. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Stand mixer. Features a distinctive moving head design, making it a must-have for every home chef. This innovative feature ensures consistent dough for perfect rotis, pizzas, and breads, eliminating the need for manual kneading. The combination of rotating head and rotating bowl together creates a planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent and thorough mixing. Perfect your doughs for rotis, pizzas, and breads with ease. Product link is given in the 17th link. Thanks for watching.